Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov and I'm continue doing tutorials for you day by day, just for showing you how can we easily and perfectly apply gel nails on our nail studio and how to be the professional, how to become favorite nail technician among your clients and people in your city. In this video I have a message for you that we don't need to buy a lot of products for doing nails perfectly. We just should use the high quality products but with the same type all the time, and all these products will work for you not only for example for removing the gel, but for other phases of our work. As you can see, video by video I'm working with hard alloy steel barrel gel bit for removing the gel products, and I'm using the natural diamond gel bit for removing the dead skin and remaining product. As you can see on the video, it works perfectly, and even if you're a beginner, it's better way to choose definitely this drill bit, but not cheap Chinese diamond drill bit, because those drill bits only burn the nail plate and practically don't remove the skin at all. Okay guys, after removing the skin, we're using the file to correct the shape. If you don't do that, you'll have to shape nails more after placing the gel. Why? Because when we prepare the nail plate on the first phases, the gel can be arranged better and more neat. Okay, and in this case guys, when we have something like the gape on the nail, as you can see, it's needed to place the form and make some additional sculpting in this area. If we build the side wall especially for this nail, so we have applied the form and we're using clear gel or sculpting mix gel to build the gel. Okay guys, now someone turned off the electricity in our nail studio and we are working in the dark using only the camera light. So we are going to make amazing nail design with the beautiful 3D flower from Thailand. Have you ever been in Thailand? Once in my life I visited this amazing place in the world. I think that people who live there, they must be happy because they have a chance to live by the ocean, eat good tropic fruits, and in spite of economic situation and some conditions of life, I think that some people who live there are very happy because there are a lot of such beautiful things. Maybe they used to live by these beautiful things and they don't see them, but I would I would enjoy to live there. Now I'm dreaming guys to live in mountains, somewhere about 100 or 200 meters under the sea. and I just don't know what city to choose. Maybe some of you live lives live there. The I don't know in Europe what exactly the city, the mountain city, to choose. Maybe no one city in Europe which is upper than 100 or sorry 200 meters under the sea. I think that it's better for my family and for me the climate, the mountain climate. That's where I want to live. I was dreaming before to live by the ocean in Thailand, for example, or in Vietnam, but I think that it's very hot there, and my health will not good for this hot, for this sun. What do you think about the climate? Where do you live, and what do you suggest me to choose? Because I like traveling. We have changed our direction, and we settled down in different places with my family. We're looking for something new. Maybe in future we are going to leave Russia and to travel somewhere by the mountains. Okay guys, and we're proceeding with sculpting these beautiful flowers, Thai flowers. I don't remember the name of this flower. I'm trying to remember, but I can't. Not hibiscus. Okay, maybe you help me with the name of this flower. It's not easy to sculpt, by the way, this one. I think this is the hardest flower in nail technique, because I haven't saw those designs. It's not easy to curve the petal like that to make it very natural. The matter is that the all petals should be lined each on the other, and the shape should be very correct. I think that my petals are not correct enough in some places. They're a little bit wide. It should be a little bit thinner, but I tried hard. Maybe some of you have sculpted this flower, and maybe some of you share with your beautiful the result. You know, when I was starting creating 3D flowers, that was my first experience on YouTube channel. I have uploaded the video with amazing 3D flowers, and there were a lot of views. I didn't expect that they could be so popular. It was something new for people, because this technique was in trend, and it was new, and a lot of people were really amazed with such beautiful things that we can create. But now it's not the new thing, and a lot of some of nail technicians changed their preferences, and they start even sculpting cars, collection cars. I don't remember the name of that artist, Masanang or something else. It seems that he is from China or Japan, but he is very talented. It seems that he's crazy about sculpting such tiny compositions and elements. You know, guys, when I see that such people, sometimes I think that they are really crazy with these things, because I just can't imagine my patience. I'm not so patient to create such crazy things. They must be very patient and accurate. I think that it's something not natural and not not natural with people who are creating such amazing things. I don't know how to say about it, what the word to say. Maybe in my childhood I was not similar like other kids, because I could sitting at home all day and drawing, so I can only draw, and about 5 or 6 years I was sitting at home and only drawing. I had a lot of beautiful paintings. That was craziest things, robots, cars, etc. But when I was choosing the profession, I thought about, why not? I like drawing, why can't I do the same on nails? Because we have no other way to express ourselves, because painting pictures, it's boring for me, and I think that I can't bring something from me in this art. It's very hard to be popular in this in this sphere, and I have chosen the nail art, and it seemed more perspective and more I saw just future in this. I saw that the future in this profession. I start doing nails, and I think that this industry will be improving day by day. So let's take a look on the result. I used the matte top coat and brought some green elements to make it more natural. This is Thai flower. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. If you want to order all products that I used in this video, you can visit our web store shapeofnail.com. Yes, we ship products to every country, even to Australia, New Zealand, and everywhere. See you in the next videos, guys. Bye!